In this section, we will demonstrate cardiac output monitoring using the right heart thermal dilution method. A fluid of known volume and temperature is injected into the right atrium through the proximal port of a pulmonary artery or Swan-Ganz catheter. The injectate bolus mixes with the blood in the right ventricle, and the change in blood temperature is measured with a thermistor at the distal end of the catheter in the pulmonary artery. With your thermal dilution circuit prepared, be sure the cardiac output cable is connected to the cardiac output module or the measurement server. Select the T-blood Pneumatic. Confirm that the selected method is set to right heart, and check that the correct computation constant is entered in the cardiac output procedure window. If you need to change the value, select Computation Constant and use the pop-up keypad to enter the correct value. When you see this message, select the pop-up key Start CO. When you hear a ready tone and see this message, inject the solution into the right atrial port of the Swan-Ganz catheter. The optimal injection rate is 2.5 milliliters per second. At the end of the measurement, the thermal dilution curve, cardiac output, index values, and any curve alerts display. When you see the Ready for New Measurement message, repeat the procedure until you have completed the measurements you want to perform. You can perform a maximum of 6 measurements before editing. More than 6 measurements will cause the earliest measurements to be deleted. After completing your measurements, review them, especially any irregular trials or trials marked with a question mark. Consider the similarity of the values and the shape of the curve. A normal curve has one smooth peak and returns to the temperature baseline level after the peak. To reject a trial, select its trial curve. The background of rejected trials is red, and the background of accepted trials is green. The monitor will recalculate the average values after you reject trials. After rejecting any suspect trials, save the average CO values by selecting Save CO. This sends the average CO numeric to be displayed on the main screen and stores the averaged values in the Trends and Calculations databases. Select Print Record if you wish to document the cardiac output measurements. Choose Print Results to print the contents of the CO procedure menu. Record Results to record the contents of the CO procedure window, or Record Trial to send the most recent trial curve to the recorder.